Thanks to all the people who clean up the Rock River in Wisconsin and Illinois every year. In past years, I've pulled out old tires, bikes, even baby buggies. And last week in Janesville, Shane Hansen came to enjoy a day of fishing at Monterey Dam and ended up picking up trash. And this senior citizen cleans up her neighborhood by the Rock River on a regular basis. Discarded fishing line and hooks maim and kill wildlife along the river. One great blue heron I filmed lost a lower leg, most likely after becoming entangled. Another great blue was horribly hooked in its mouth and body. You'll see the red bobber hanging from him. The one-legged blue heron I filmed this week will be lucky to live a long life, but I admire its instinct to survive. I saw it fly, perch on a log, sight in a fish, dive into the water and capture it, flap back up to the perch, and then drink water to wash that fish down.